Today, I was fortunate to host an event for the San Diego State Fowler College of Business and representing the Wendy Gillespie Center for Advancing Global Business, where we brought community members, faculty members, and students to our facility to show them about who we are in the community, what our company does, and the kind of culture that we have.
All the students should look for opportunities to learn, not just in the classroom. And so this particular event is one of those opportunities to learn about something that you're not necessarily going to be tested on.
San Diego State is such a huge part of the community in San Diego, and there's so many opportunities for students to get involved with local businesses.
As far as it comes to this networking event, Professor Martina has offered us this opportunity to visit a real-life company and to experience how an American family business operates.
There's a lot of other businesses in San Diego that could really benefit from working with students locally, and so I hope that by bringing students up to our company, that we can kind of spread the word about a lot of local opportunities that we have for students.
They really want to prepare you for the job, and that has been really helpful for me to get different insights and making me better as a person.
I like to say to be hungry for knowledge and really also work on your networking skills, making yourself visible in a positive way to other people. I think you can gain so much knowledge and so many insights to grow your career.